Altro put people at the heart of everything that we do, so it's really important that every one of our products is tested to the extreme. And one of the ways that we do that is with the Pedatron.
The Pedatron is actually a crucial part of our development. As far as we're aware, there's only a handful of these Pedatron machines globally. The Pedatron was actually developed to test the durability of shoes. What we've done is we've flipped it and we use that Pedatron simulated foot hitting the ground to test the durability of our flooring. So whenever we do new development work, we always check it back on the Pedatron. We actually break it down into 250,000 step cycles. So we test it before it goes onto the Pedatron, 250,000 upwards to 2 million steps. And at each 250,000 point, we take it off the Pedatron and we look at things like the gloss, so how shiny it is, because that gives an indication of wear. We look at the surface roughness, maybe it's wearing down over time. And we also look at the sustained slip. So making sure that the slip it starts with is the slip it ends with. This is a standard Pedatron board, broken up into 4 test areas, and the foot comes down and strikes the floor repeatedly as it turns, and then the test area is in a diagonal across each of these different pieces, and we test that for slip. On this corner we have a competitor floor. You can see on this product here that there's a difference in gloss between the middle area, the test area, and the outside. This change in surface appearance does show that there has been wear damage on the surface, and if I were to test the slip of this, it would be significantly reduced.
Every one of our products is tested to ensure that it can exceed the levels of performance that are expected of it and safeguard people using the product and using the spaces in which they're installed.